Okay guys, we're about to install another dash cam. This one is a VIOFO A229 Plus. Okay, it's 2K front and 2K rear interior recording, dual Sony Starvis 2 IMX 675 image sensors, HDR supported for all 2 channels, smart voice control and notification, ultra fast 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, ultra precise and fast GPS. Okay, so this is the box it came in. We'll take it all out here in a second. And what do we got here? Wireless Bluetooth control, polarizing lens filter, hardware kit, oh, it comes with its own SD card. Okay, I've only installed one before, but not this brand. We'll see how easy, hard it is to install. And we're gonna put this one in my tow vehicle there, the GMC 3/4 ton that I tow junk cars with. Okay, like I said before, I think everybody should have a dash cam. They just come in real handy, you know, in case you got to verify anything, accidents, or you catch a glimpse of something. Okay, so it's got a separate cord for the separate rear camera and an interior camera, optional, and then your power cord. Okay. Maybe that is. Anyway, we're gonna have to take all this apart. There's the owner's manual. The stickers to stick it on there with. And then all the cords. Okay, well, let me attempt to take all this apart and see how easy it'll be to install and operate. And I'll be back. Okay, guys, I got it hooked up. It just sticks on the windshield there. And you can adjust the camera lens. A menu comes up at the beginning and you get English, time, all that stuff. So everything's set up and it automatically starts recording. And then to save energy, I guess the screen goes off. But you can just click that and see it again. Okay, so that's the, I don't know if you can see what's facing front is on there. And then the rear camera is right here. You can adjust the lens. I just kind of got this rigged up now. I haven't I just put the wire over here. It's got a really long wire, I guess, in case you got a long car. And it just plugs in here. The rear camera, the power itself plugs in there. And of course it's supposed to go around the trim and come down. I'll do all that later. And then it just plugs in the cigarette lighter. It's also got so what I can't figure out is how to see what the rear camera is looking at. I haven't figured that out yet. But anyway, there's all kinds of features on it. You can hook up your phone. Yeah, it turns that screen off to save power, but there's also this hardwire kit. If it detects low voltage, if your battery's, you know, draining because of this, it'll turn off. You know, so it doesn't kill your battery. But that's a hardwire kit. You get a wire in, so you can see this here, which I'm not going to do that to it. I'll just unplug it whenever, because this thing gets parked for a long time, so I just use it to go pick up junk cars, so I'll just unplug it. So I got the power supply there. Well, it comes with this. It comes with this deal here. You just plug it in. I'll look at it here for a second. It'll turn on. Hopefully it doesn't go through the whole menu thing again. No? Okay.
Recording 2 channels started.
So it's recording 2 channels. You got the SD card in there, and you can and there's just all kinds of stuff. There's that little Bluetooth button, and then this is a polarized lens. That means, like, if it's too sunny out, it's like wearing sunglasses for the camera. So this little deal here, you can program that for a little button right here, and you can do all this stuff with this little button. Mainly you want to save stuff. You know, say you see an accident down the road, or you see something, well, you can click in here and save it so it doesn't get recorded over, because it's a continuous loop on the SD card. I don't know how long it'll last, probably a couple hours, and it'll just it'll record over whatever's been on there unless you save it. So you can save it with that button real fast. You know, if you're driving along and you want to save a scenery thing, you can click it and save that. Anyway, I'm not hooking that up. If I need to save it, I'll probably just take the SD card out, and you can put it in your computer and save it on there. That's probably what I'll do. But there is going to come a time where you're not gonna be able to do that. You want to, anyway. So what we'll do is, I ain't got nowhere to go with this truck. I'm not just gonna drive it for the hell of it. I'll move the van out of the way, and we'll drive it around the property. And then I'm gonna pull the SD card out and show you a few clips of the front view and the back view, and then I'll be back.
Recording 2 channels started.
Okay, we'll see if the microphone works. It says 2 channels recording. So let's just drive around the property. Also washed the truck. I just wanted to wash the windshield so we get a clear view of the camera, and I ended up washing the whole thing because this truck hadn't been washed in a while. Lots of grime and everything all on everything. Anyway, we'll do a couple of laps around here. Yeah, this will come in real handy doing what I'm doing, buying junk cars and stuff, because I can get the location, and I was thinking I get the person that I buy the car from on camera too, by just saying to come over to the hood. You know, if you get assign a bill of sale or a title, just have him say, oh, come on over to the hood here and sign this, and then he'll be on the camera, right? That way you got a recording of your transaction, because I had a woman years ago She sold me her Expedition. Was it Expedition? Anyway, Expedition, no, Explorer, I think. No, it might have been an Expedition. Anyway, I sold it to my helper, and he was driving it, and all of a sudden he got pulled over. It was about a month later, because it wasn't running very good at all, and he was down at the river fishing or something, and his car was up on the bank on the road, side of the road, and all of a sudden his car got swarmed by cops. And I don't know, he probably had a warrant out or something, so he didn't bother going up. He stayed down by the river, right? Well, they towed his car, the Expedition, and come to find out, that woman, see, she told me she owed money on it to a tote-to-note car lot, right? She owed money on it, but they didn't want it back. She says, she told them to come get it, and they said, no, we don't want it back. So, of course, you know, I bought it with no title. Well, apparently they did want it back, and they were going to sue her ass or something, threatened her with something. So she got scared and reported the car stolen, the Expedition stolen. So the cops took it, impounded it, and then the detectives took over, and they talked to my helper, and then come over and talk to me, and I showed them all the text messages from the woman that says, yeah, come and get my car, I'll sell it to you, all this stuff. So I don't know if they ever charged her with submitting a false police report or not, but that's something. So anyway, that gets back to this camera. This camera is going to be good for recording stuff like that. You can go to the cops. You can go to the cops and say, hey, I didn't steal it. Here's a recording of the person I bought it from, and location and time and all that. Anyway, guys, we'll put on these, take out the SD card and play them and see what happens. Okay, guys, I just got finished editing those clips there that I showed you. It works pretty good. Yeah, you got the same clip going forward and the same clip going back, so I had to alternate them, every other one there, one going front, one going back, so the audio wouldn't keep repeating itself if I showed you all the front and all the back type thing. But anyway, I'll put all the information in the description. I said it's the VIOFO A229 Plus 2-channel. All the information should be in the clips or the links in the description, and check them out. I'm starting to really like dash cams. You know, I put one in the Ford Fusion that I drive most of the time. Put one in this one that I drive. I'm going to be driving this more. I'm going to be picking up more cars soon, guys. I know I keep saying that, but I think soon as the AC's acting weird in this, I think it's still charging. But anyway, just waiting for the cooler weather, and then I'm going to go start running an ad and go and buy more junk cars, and we'll get some more videos on clunkers and fixer-uppers and quick flips and parting out and scrap and all that stuff. So anyway, subscribe if you haven't, like, comment, share. Oh, well, this video may go, I may have another video after this, because they wanted me to make this video either exclusive, like just the dash cam, or if I put it in another video to use this first. So I may add something onto this depending on what I put on after it. So anyway, if I don't, then we'll see y'all next video. Thanks everybody for watching.